Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and today I will show you how to format the SD card in the device. So to get started, you want to go into the settings, and from settings tap on storage, where you will find your SD card, so tap on it. In the right corner you'll find three dots, so tap on them, and then choose storage settings, where you will see format option. Choose that. I will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before. But assuming there isn't, just tap on format SD card. The process will immediately begin, and it takes only several seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used. So there we go. Click on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.